Want to dance ballet? Oh no! These claws will scratch my pirouette! I'll cook myself a quick breakfast. Cracking an egg with long nails is really easy. While the egg is frying, I can get dressed. Skinny jeans are a challenge. I button them up. I just have to smooth them a little. Oh no! I ripped them with my nails. What is this smell? My egg! It's burning! Fire alarm! Come on, work! Oh no! I broke my nails! Now that's a real disaster! Thank you for your purchase. Come again. Good afternoon. Do you need a bag? No thanks. When you have long nails, you can save some money by not buying bags. I just put everything on them. They're like skewers. Fashion is unbelievable. Bye. Take care of your nails. Good night, world. Oh no! Nancy is having nightmares again. I'm getting attacked! Take that! Long nails are a perfect weapon when you're asleep. Looks like I killed my pillow when I was asleep. It lost too many feathers. Why use knitting needles when you have long nails? Knitting with your nails is so calming. Oh no! That chatterbox Molly is here again. She's probably going to tell me her whole life story. I'm exhausted. How can anyone possibly talk that much? Isn't your tongue tired yet? I knitted a great item. A silent wrap. Now that's much better. I don't want to get up. It's too early. Alarm, shut up. Whoops, I'm falling. It's not really easy to crawl back on your bed when you have long nails. Bedsheet, you betrayed me. Come on. Whoops. Now I'm cozy. I'll just sleep on the floor. I'll make a healthy smoothie. Why use a knife when I have sharp nails? I'll cut everything into little pieces. Perfect! And now I can put all this healthy stuff in a blender and turn it on. It doesn't work. Is it broken? Oh. That's bad timing. What do I do? I know! I can use my nails instead of a blender. I just have to pull my hand out quickly. Done! This is a real handmade smoothie. Yummy! What? I should have just plugged it in? Who knew? Hi, can you paint my short nails? Yeah. What color would you like? Let's look at the palette. How about blue? It's like I slammed my finger in a door. Spooky. Thanks, but no. Orange? It's like an orange peel is stuck to my nails. I hate it! So maybe black? It's trendy. want to look like a rock star. I hate things like that. Let's go with beige. It's classy. Colored lenses will complete my look. 1 minute. I just have to put them in. It doesn't work. Phew, I got them out. Now here comes the hardest part. I'm almost there. Oh no, there it goes. I guess I'll just attach a third eye. My party is about to start. I have to decorate the room. The flags won't hang themselves. Not bad. Now I need to blow up a lot of balloons. It seems like the balloons don't get along with my long nails. But that doesn't bring me down. I just won't use my hands. I'm doing great. I just have to hang another decoration. Uh-oh! Oh no! All the balloons popped! But my last hope is still alive. Nope. I'm almost ready to go out. I just have to put on perfume. Something is missing. My favorite chain. There's a problem. The lock on the chain is too small for my long nails. How do I lock it? I can't do it. Help! Lillian, why are you lying around? We have to leave. Molly, can you help me with my chain? It's all because of your long nails. I can fix the chain in a second with my short nails. Done! Let's go! Snacks and TV shows are a perfect match. Come on, TV, turn on. No? Is the remote dead? I'll try putting in new batteries. It's not easy to take batteries out when you have short nails. Long nails would be a great way to evacuate the batteries. Having trouble with your batteries? Let me help. Lillian's long nails extract the batteries easily. Thanks! It works! Want to watch together? What? Can't get the snacks out? Let me feed you! This bag is way too heavy for a party! I need to take everything I don't need out of it! Why is this here? You can stay at home. I think it's gonna be faster if I put everything on the table. Oh, my key! How do I pick it up? It's a trap! That's it! Party's canceled! The long nail trend got to feet, too! Lillian has the most fashionable pedicure. Yoga is so relaxing. I'll do a few poses. And stretch. I feel much better. And the yoga mat feels terrible. Oh no! My nails ripped it to shreds. Spinning keys on your finger is a bad habit. Whoops! The keys flew away behind the couch. How am I supposed to get them out of there? I can't reach. My nails are too short, and the couch is too heavy. Come on, move! Hi, Lillian. Do you need help? Nancy, can you get my keys out? Your long nails will definitely be able to reach. Where are they? Let's see what we have here. A dog? No, not that. A sock. Oh, I've been looking for that. Thanks. Spider-Man, why are you here? Lillian, are you looking for this? Oh, righty. Did you like our nails? Then comment below and tell us if you like having short nails or super long nails. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new nail videos from Troom.